Hi everyone, and welcome to another Schoology instructional video by Otis for Educators. I'm Nicole Matthew, and today we're going to be talking about how you can post an assignment from Google Drive. So here I am in my first grade Explorers class, and I am in the Science and Social Studies folder that I've already pre-set up. To add an assignment, I'm just going to click Add Materials, Add Assignment, and we'll need to give it a title, and a description. I could also add a file, a link, something that I have from my resources, or an external tool, but we're going to have the assignment be assigned from Google Drive Assignments. So this is an app that you would need to have pre-installed beforehand. Any apps that allow you to assign from, such as Kami, another great option, is something that would show up there only if you have had it already installed. So I'll need to select a due date. I'll make it September 30th. The default time is always 11:59 p.m. and the default value is always 100 points. I'm okay with keeping that time, but I want to change it to 15 points. I'm going to change the grading category to homework. Grading period 1 is great. I don't want to adjust the factor. You can adjust the scale or rubric from numeric to letter, or if you want to create a new one for this assignment, you can go ahead and do that. You also have the option to align it to specific learning objectives. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click that Google Drive Assignments here. And as long as I've linked the app and I am logged in, I'm going to be brought to my Google Drive. So I'll see any folders that I have here. I can even look at shared with me, so things that others have shared with me, and I can also search my drive. All right, so here's the assignment that I'd like to have here. I'm going to click attach. I can even give it a preview on the side just so I make sure that it's the right one. But I know this is the one, so I'm going to click attach. It has a copy of that document, and it says on the right, this will create a copy of your file for each student. So it automatically creates a copy for each student, and when a student does open the assignment, they can log in right within Schoology, and they can complete the assignment right within Schoology as well, or they can open it up in their Google Drive. So students will need to be logged in to their Google Drive in order to access this assignment. When I'm ready to go, I'll click Create. And we'll see here that I have that assignment is already visible to us, Biodiversity Survey Walk. I can click on it just to verify the details. And here I can access that. I can even check in progress or any submissions here. So that's how I can post an assignment from Google Drive for my students to complete. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to email the team at otis@tech.com. And as always, be sure to check out our other Schoology instructional videos. Thanks so much for joining us and have a wonderful day.